my camera has fallen over probably a good 200 times, and the sun is coming in so bright that you can't even see me, so that's how my morning's going. I don't know where it's at in these songs. It's so bright, the sun is bright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a lot planned. I'm on my way to town right now to go pick up some supplies for the video. I need to hit up Target, and I also want to hit up the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna pick up probably like 3 or 4 outfits from Target. And then I also wanna go to the Dollar Tree and try to see if I can come up with my own like really cute DIY Easter basket for under $15. And I think that's pretty manageable because at the Dollar Tree, if you think about it, it's like you get the basket for $1, you get like the little stuffing for $1, you get some eggs for $1, and then you have like $12 to like fill it up with candy, so that's 12 pieces of candy. I think this should be super easy, but that is today's plans. But first, your girl needs some coffee. I have been up since 6:30, but I could not fall asleep last night. I don't know what it was. I just honestly, I couldn't go to bed, and I usually just lay there and eventually I'll fall asleep, and not last night. Last night I kept getting up and kept getting up and kept getting up, and I was like, why can't I fall asleep? I just couldn't do it. I literally could not fall asleep. So it was really frustrating. I actually didn't go to bed until around 4:30, and then finally I fell asleep, but then I woke up at 6:30.
Hi, thanks for choosing Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
Guys, I'm so excited. Thank you. Next stop is Target.
Target!
Okay, so I just got to Target. I got my Starbucks. I am all good. But let me know down below what your favorite Starbucks drink is, just to give me an idea of maybe some different drinks to try, because right now I have a venti caramel macchiato with soy. This is my favorite, but 80% of the time I go to Starbucks, I just get like a plain black coffee. Oh, pumpkin spice is my favorite. I'm so basic. But let me know down below what your favorite is, and maybe I will try it, and I'll comment back to you if I did and tell you if I liked it or not. But let's go. Guys, walking around Target with a camera, they either A, thought that I was a criminal and they were being very passive aggressive by constantly coming up to me and asking me if I was okay, or 2, they thought that I was like undercover or something, because I was walking around with my camera and they literally kept asking me like, hey, how are you doing? Like, my name's Cheryl. If you need anything, like, come let me know. And then the one woman walked up to me as I was checking out, and she was like, I hope you had a wonderful day. Like, did you find everything okay? Like, is there anything I can do to make your day any better? Like, they gave me royal treatment, and I don't know if they were just being passive aggressive or if they just thought that I was maybe undercover from the Target headquarters. I don't know, but I just got like royal treatment. Okay, so just got home. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the clothes that I got. This isn't a huge haul. I probably got about 4 outfits from Target, but I really needed new spring clothes, so I'm really happy that I finally got a chance to do it. And this is going to be a try on haul, so I hope that you guys enjoy that. I know personally I prefer try on hauls. It's a little bit extra work on my part, but it is totally worth it if you guys enjoy them more. Let me know down below if you prefer them or if you don't. Like I said, I prefer them just because like it's nice to see what it looks like on someone's body, so yeah. The first item that I got is this black romper. This is very much in my comfort zone with the black. I only got 2 dark colored items and this is one of them. And it's not too short either because sometimes rompers can be way too short on me just because I am a little bit on the tall side. For me, I am wearing an extra small just in case you were looking to buy this and you wanted to know my size. And it's only $19.99, which is so incredibly cheap. This is the last dark colored item that I got, but I got these super, super cute, I almost want to call them trousers, but I don't know. It has an elastic waistband. These are so freaking cute. They're not too short, so they're definitely dressy. So I got this in a size extra small, and these are $22.99, which it's not bad, especially when you can just wear this with a plain black tank top, because that's pretty much what I'm planning on wearing this with. Now we're on to the super, super springy outfits. So I got this is like a fluorescent purple floral off the shoulder shirt. It has these really pretty quarter bell sleeves. I love this. This is definitely out of my comfort zone. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest person whenever it comes to floral or when it comes to really bright colors. I try to stick pretty neutral, but I love this. This is so cute. I got this in a extra small and it was only $24.99. I got this bright blue floral dress. On the back it has this crisscross detail and it has sort of like a v-neck to it. So for me, I got this in a size extra small again, just because Target tends, like in their dresses, they tend to run a little bit larger. This one was a little bit more pricey. It was $24.99, which I still don't think is bad for a dress. And I tried to weigh my odds on well, for everything that I got, I tried to weigh okay, how often am I actually gonna be able to wear it? Is it really worth the price? And considering that I'll be able to wear this to work pretty much all summer, I thought that was a pretty good price. The last item, can I get a drum roll? That was my horrible attempt of a drum roll. But guys, this is my favorite item that I got. I'm just gonna hold you here and wait for the suspense. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. It's a jumpsuit, but it's this black floral print. Guys, this is so cute. I am obsessed with this. This one is by far the most expensive thing that I got. This one was $29.99, but I'm gonna wear this so often, and it's so loose and silky, and I just feel like this is the perfect spring into summer outfit, and I can just see so many places that I'm gonna wear this. So I am really excited about this. Before we head into the DIY Easter basket, let me know down below which outfit from this haul was your absolute favorite. I mean, obviously you guys know mine. It is definitely the jumpsuit, but I do have to say I really like the shorts as well. So let me know your thoughts and let's go ahead and get into the basket. Now onto the Dollar Tree DIY Easter basket. I am really excited about this. I hope that I have enough to fill the basket. That's the big kicker, is I just hope. I'm gonna go ahead and just be honest with you. I totally got this basket at Target for $3. It was just so cute, and it kind of beats the plastic ones that they have at the Dollar Tree, and I just couldn't pass it up. I just thought it was so cute, and I actually am going to use this for someone's Easter gift, so thought I might as well have just used it for this video. The first thing that I'm going to be putting in here are these decorative shreds, as they are called. So I got pink and I also got white. These are about to go everywhere. I know myself. And I'm sort of gonna just layer them a bit and mix them up. Next, I got these foam glittery Easter eggs. And I figure if I don't actually give this to someone, I could use these little foam eggs for a DIY down the road. Guys, this is so cute. I love this. I'm just breaking out some of the candy that I got. I got Andy's candies because these are some of my favorite. I also got some Werther's Original. These are also my favorite. Okay guys, I got these white Reese's peanut butter cups. I got some York candies. Oh, we definitely have enough to fill this basket, for sure. Okay, so then I got these Starburst Original. I don't know if these are packaged. Are they already wrapped? Because if they're not, I don't want to open them. Well, we're gonna open it and see, I suppose. I'm really nervous that these aren't. That's gonna ruin the whole thing. Yay, okay, they are pre-wrapped. So I'm gonna dump these in here as well. Guys, just look at these. It's already looking so good with the little glitter glitter eggs in here, and it just looks so full. The last things that I have, I can't really take out of the packaging. I have Skittles, and if you guys know me at all, you know that I absolutely love Skittles. So I have that to put into this basket. And I have Russell Stover's chocolate bunnies, and I got one in chocolate and one in white chocolate. And then I got this package of Whoppers. As of right now, it looks like this. I absolutely love this, and I have this cute little, I ended up getting a sheep, not a bunny, because we are not stereotypical. But I got this cute little sheep that we're gonna go ahead and put in here just as the finished product. Here, we're gonna bury it and then put some candies. Oh no, things are falling out. So this is our DIY Easter basket, and this entire thing was under $15. So hopefully this gives you guys a little bit of inspiration on what you can do for Easter, considering it is less than 1 week away. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this. I tried to film it a little bit differently than normal, but I will end the video right here, and I will see you guys probably after Easter. Bye!